Adam, can you tell me what else? What's happening? What's going on? Can you hear him? Adam, talk to Daddy. What's happening? Can you tell me? Adam. Talk to me. What else? Can you tell me? Come on. Oh, really? Tell me all about it. Were we reading a book? That's really nice. I'm glad we could talk like this. Adam. Come on. Tell Daddy about it. Adam. What's up, little man?